In this video, we'll demonstrate how to remove WhatsApp from other devices, ensuring your account security and privacy. But before we delve into the tutorial, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're eager to learn how to enhance your WhatsApp privacy. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback plays a crucial role in helping us create better content for you. Now, let's jump into the main content. Open WhatsApp and navigate to the bottom navigation bar. Select Settings. If you're using an Android device, the settings may be located differently, typically represented by 3 dots in the top right. Once in the settings, find and select Linked Devices. Here, you'll see a list of all the devices connected to your WhatsApp. Managing this list is vital for maintaining control over your account security. To remove or log out of a device, simply tap on it. For instance, if you see a device labeled Safari on macOS, click on it. Then choose Log Out and confirm your decision. Give it a moment, and just like that, it's successfully removed. Repeat this process for each device you wish to log out of. This step is particularly important if you've used WhatsApp on multiple devices and want to secure your account. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. For additional tutorials, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.